We're out here in the depths of the jungle, searching for the elusive southeastern ringneck worm eater snake. Boys, this looks like prime worm eater habitat here. We gotta be careful. We gotta sneak up on him, okay? Cause they'll get mad as a tit if you come out and they see you. They'll fucking zoom off, okay? You gotta be quiet and be sure-footed when you walk. You don't want to be loud and obnoxious. You gotta be real quiet. Real quiet. Let me come over here.
My bad, my bad.
I think I got me orb weavers in my trousers. Okay, see, this is an antique cage here. See, they've got their enclosure built here. This was the front for the viewing area. This was the viewing portion of their enclosure here. Gonna want to watch out for white widows around here because you might get lucky and she might be a sugar mama, but just see here. I don't think there's nothing under that there.
I'm lost. I can't find the trail.
Bro, I think that's from a Sasquatch there. That's a clean tree break.
Yeah, but it's too low.
It's a baby. They're training. You think they just start breaking them when they're 10? No, they start when they're like 3.5. The mom has to come teach them how to do it so they can make teeth. Look, they're all tree breaks in the same direction. See what I'm saying? So like even out here, see way out in the distance, they're all tree breaking in the same direction. That's them marking their territory. They're saying, we started here, went here. So don't go that way because that's where we at, bruh. That's what they're doing.
So we're going the right way?
Well, right now we are.
Okay.
You got it. For now.
I think it's
Just gotta keep your...
it's too cool for him right now.
It's definitely a juvenile. There's definitely a juvenile.
Dude, that berm's so sick. Kicker.
See, this is where the mother
Holy
is to the large tree to scare away the predaceous separate tribe. Now we have to be really quiet. This is gonna get dangerous, folks.
Okay.
What if there's a password?
You see a snake?
I found one. Look, I found one. Go.
No, I don't want to go first. I don't want to go first. Oh.
I knew it. I called it. I tried to tell you guys. They're out here. We're in the thick of it now. This could get dangerous.
We're in the thick of it.
I got it. They just tried to airdrop me John Mayer.
All right, we need to stay far behind it. Real far behind it. Yeah. Be cool, be cool, be cool. Be cool, be cool.
I think we're good to proceed.
Okay.
Seeing signs of intelligence on the trail.
How did they do
Signs
that?
of engineering.
How did they do that?
It's possible that they've learned stone tools.
Like Minecraft?
Maybe. But But there's only one way to be sure.
So they play Minecraft.
It's possible.
That's crazy.
With the invention of the new Nintendo Switch.
They invented that.
No. With the invention of the new Nintendo Switch, now they're allowed to have more portability. Therefore, they're not tied down to their dens.
I wonder how they
where their
invented that.
generators are. Meteorites.
Okay. Holy shit. Are you seeing this?
This is aggressive. Super aggressive. Endangered. Wild. Southeastern house cat. Right here. So we have to be careful. When we're walking. Because they might hiss at us. That was a Sasquatch response. He's growling. There's multiple. Look up. You can see the big copper moccasin trail right on the edge of the water down there. Oh yeah. Look how big that one is. Oh yeah, we're talking 10, 12, maybe 15 footer. I think we need to get away from here. It sounds like the Sasquatches are in a wedge-shaped battle formation. Based on ambient resonance, seems like a. Look, get close. If you look closely, you see this. That's where copper moccasins went. So they actually, when they go through the water, they leave a path behind it. Look how thick that one is. Oh yeah. And for reference. Oh yeah. She's girthy, baby. It busted a U. There's an ant on your leg. I found a king cobra. Watch out. Holly, there's a king cobra. That's a king cobra. Watch out, it's a king cobra. Run, king cobra. Here, Tori, I'll take over. It's not on my balls. It's just
Sweated on the camera. God, what the fuck? I mean, the Slayer.
I think I've heard rumors. I'm not sure if it's true. But I've heard rumors that there's a troll under this bridge. And there's only one way to cross without basically being captured. I guess I'll test it out. We'll see if it works. I think we're good.
Okay.
I think we're good. Wait.
Okay.
Is that good?
Yeah. Do it again.
Let her pass, Kyle. Let her pass. Definitely gotta be on TikTok for that. Appalachianzonian Rainforest Sign up, support the Patreon.
We don't.
Give it a thumbs up and a subscribe.
We don't have a Patreon.
Patreon coming soon. OnlyFans to follow.
Shazam!